Now you have all the information about recession, like what happens in a recession and also the assets you should invest in. In this video I'm going to tell you how to create your portfolio. What if you put all your eggs into one basket and accidentally that basket fell? Well, all your eggs will break and you will lose all of them. The same thing could happen to you if you keep all your investments in one single asset. That is the reason why you should diversify your portfolio and keep your investments in different assets. I have told you 4 different assets and each asset have different reward. Like if you invest into gold, it may give you a growth of 60% to 100%. Well, if you invest in gold mining stocks, it may give you growth of 300% or even more. I know many of you may feel that way to invest in assets with low growth when you already have some assets which can give you exponential growth. Many of you may think of putting all your investment into one single asset which has the most exponential growth. Well, this is a common thing which happens to us all. And that is because humans are greedy. Everyone wants to get rich quick, but always remember, if you put all your eggs in one basket, it will be the costliest mistake for you in your entire life. And going to make you lose all your investments. Therefore it is very important for us to diversify our investments and put an equal amount in all. So, what you have to do is divide your total investment by 4 and then put equal amount in all the 4 assets. I know many of you may not be able to buy a real estate with that investment. So, what you can do is save that money for later. And when you have saved enough money to actually buy a real estate, then you can look for a great opportunity. Let's take an example to understand this. Let us say that you have $2,000 to invest each month. So, what do you have to do is divide this investment? That is $2,000 divided by 4. So, you will be left with $500 in each. So, you have to invest $500 in each of the asset. So, what you have to do is buy $500 worth of gold, invest $500 in Bitcoin and gold mining stocks, and save $500 for buying real estate. So, by doing this, what you were able to do is you were able to diversify your investments correctly, and this will help you reduce risk, build some extent. That's all for now. See you in the next video.